In this video, you'll learn how to sell PiCoin on the OKX platform. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the OKX app to sell your PiCoins for other currencies or withdraw them to your bank or wallet. Start by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the Assets tab, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Assets to your cryptocurrency. After entering the Assets section, look for the Deposit option. This option allows you to find your PiCoin deposit address. Tap on Deposit, and then select PI from the list of available cryptocurrencies. The app will display your unique Pi deposit address. Make sure to copy your OKX Pi deposit address. You can do this by tapping the copy button next to the address. This step is crucial, as you will need this address to send your Pi coins from your Pi wallet. Next, open your Pi wallet application. Once inside, locate the option to send Pi coins. Tap on this option, and you will be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the OKX deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. After pasting the address, confirm the amount of Pi you wish to send. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, and then proceed by tapping the send button. The transaction will be processed, and you may need to wait for the deposit to reflect in your OKX account. Once the deposit is confirmed, return to the OKX app, navigate to the trade section, which is accessible from the main menu. In the trading interface, select T as the trading pair. This will allow you to sell your Pi coins for Tether. After selecting the trading pair, you can proceed to sell your Pi coins, enter the amount you wish to sell, and confirm the transaction. If you wish, you can also sell the USDT for ZAR or withdraw it directly to your bank account or wallet, depending on your preferences. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.